that gas, so we're giving her a chance to warm up a little bit. Got choke on here. Used the screwdriver there to turn on the ignition. Giving her a second here. I went around it, checked tire pressures, lubed up the chain, talked to the previous owner on anything that I should have known. Previous video you should have seen that I replaced the clutch lever, and I checked that I put a spring on the kickstand. The switch down there is completely obliterated, so there is no kickstand switch, and it's been bypassed, so we don't have to worry about that, because that would cut off the bike if you shift into gear and try to go with the kickstand down, so it's a safety feature. Other than that, key is ordered. Obviously we don't need that for the ignition, but we would need to use it for putting gas in the tank. So we're gonna go ahead and take this thing around the block. Seems like she's ready. Just real slow. This situation, I don't know what to do with, because I think once you start bending this stuff, these are not pinched completely, but they're crimped pretty good. So you start messing with that. I don't know that I personally can bend them into shape. This bracket's been busted and bent. It's not broken. Everything's still connected, but I don't know that I can bend plate steel back into shape. So let's just go see what she'll do slow. And I stole some mirrors off of a random donor bike around here somewhere. I think I stole them off the Suzuki that we're actually getting a title to tomorrow, so that'll be cool. But I didn't have mirrors, so here we go. She seems like she's ready to go. I'm gonna kick the stand up, shift her into first. Now this pipe here on my right side, it's real close to my leg, so that's kind of a pain in the butt. Let's see. Shift her into first. You don't want to shift into first too much. Let's see. Why aren't you shifting into first here? You did earlier. Is my clutch? What about second? Alright, we got second. Got second. Clutch is disengaging, so we're good there. Guess she just didn't want to shift into first at the moment. Now we're back into neutral. Yeah, something's a little, I don't know, maybe I need to make an adjustment. She went into first before, so I'm not completely worried about that. Alright, let's go see what she'll do. Just going around the block here. She sounds amazing. We're in second gear. Shift into third gear, we're good. Handlebars are straight, by the way. Seems good. I know we checked turn signals, so happy with that. What did I say? We're in third. Okay, brakes. Could use some help. Seems like a far stretch. Alright. So, fourth gear is good. She's got some grunt. Shifts into fifth, no problem. And that's where we're stopped. We have nothing over fifth gear. So, yeah, rear brake is not engaging. Something needs adjusted there. But, how about us? No. Oh, there we got first. Gotta find it. Gotta punch it down. Oh, yeah. I'd say she's good. Yeah, good girl. They were getting there. At least she's not leaking gas like the 96. Alright, yeah, rear brake. I need to do some looking at that. That's not working quite right. Right turn signal is good. Okay, we're down in neutral again. Am I gonna find first? Nah. First is not a favorite. Okay. Luckily, second's not an issue. want to find first. Something needs to be there. All right, I found first. There we go. Now we're in first. Good. Okay. Here we go. Woo, that sounds great. All right, so far so good. Still no rear brake. I mean, it's there if you really go after it, but I'd like it to be a little bit closer. Now remember, if we use too much gas, I can't open the gas tank yet. So we're gonna hold off on that. There's first. All right, we got it. I don't know, something needs adjusted maybe. Let's see what I can do. But let's take this a little further. My side stand is down. That's weird. Side stand's not down. Now it's blinking. Okay. Maybe it wasn't bypassed. It looks like, I don't know. I don't know why that light's on. Now it's off again. Well, she feels good. She seems to be running good. I feel relatively safe. Making my mental notes here. Speedometer works, tachometer works, sounds awesome. I count that as a win. I feel a lot of heat coming up from my bent up pipes, so I don't know what to say about that, but just make a note of the rear brake and the first gear. Come on, find it. See, she's not hitting first gear now. Now we're in first gear. Yeah, I think there's an adjustment we need to do there. We'll find out. Here we go. We're gonna take her home. Call this a success. Tomorrow the keys should arrive for the gas tank, so we can do some longer running of it. I'll work on adjusting the rear brake, and we should be happy campers. The tires were about brand new. The fork seals were done. He said he did an oil change, the previous owner, before the accident last year. And then his brother-in-law went out and wrecked it, so now she just needs ridden. I'm surprised she's running so good on the gas that's in here. So I like to work the gas out of this thing. That's the side stand light, so I'm gonna have to look into that. I'm not sure why it's lighting up. Maybe if it was bypassed, the connection might be a little loose or something, but hopefully it doesn't cut off the engine when you're running, because that would suck. All right, guys, give me a rev or a like in this case, and I'll see you on the next one.